Amethyst Salon is Reno's premier waxing and nail salon. My name is Flor. I am a massage therapist and an esthetician. I am the owner of Amethyst Salon.
So I'm going to be doing your facial today.
I specialize in waxing, spray tanning, massage, and facials.
Facial today.
Correct?
Yes.
The salon is conveniently located just up the street from the UNR, and we're always happy to take care of our university students. Whether you're looking to get a tan glow for graduation, a waxing for a spring break, or a relaxation massage or facial before finals, Amethyst Salon is here to meet your needs. Call me today or schedule your appointment online, and don't forget to ask for your student discount.
Relax, unwind, and recharge at Amethyst Salon, UNR's premier massage and waxing salon. Student discounts are available. Book your appointment today. Before your next midterm or final, visit Amethyst Salon for some much-needed rest and relaxation. Just up the street from UNR, book your appointment today. And don't forget to ask for your student discount.